So it's just a very short video. I got the Saturn 2 printer this week, and I've also switched to Sirayatech's dark navy resin, ABS like, which has got a very dense pigment, dark grey pigment, which seems to prevent light bleed, people are saying, whatever. I changed the orientation of these Super Hornet pylons and printed them out, and I have to say the results are really quite spectacular. So this is a print that was done on the new Saturn 2 with the new resin, 0.03 layer height, and I think you can, hopefully you can see the sheer quality. This is one of the Super Hornet main pylons, and the thing with the orientation is that, having changed it, all I'm getting now is a few very slight raised areas here where the supports go, but that is pretty much the entirety of the cleanup needed. And as you can see on this Super Hornet here, the pylons will just sit on the wing on their own. So the improvement over my previous prints on the original Saturn is just absolutely stellar. And so, just so people can see, these are the handed outboard ones, which, if you buy this set from Mike at Phase Hanger, outboard pylons on a Super Hornet are also handed. So they are marked there, left and right. But the way these are mounted now, again, they just they snap away from the support very easily. And so this is the left hand one, and again, once they've snapped away from the supports, they literally just sit on the wing. And you can see they're worked out, so so they're angled out as well as towed out. But this is how it looks when it comes off of the printer. And just to show you how easy it is, it's literally these supports here snap away, and it just snaps away that easily from the support. And as I said, you're left with a very light set of locating, or I should say support marks here, and that's it, cleaned up. And using an 800 grit just down the front of the pylon where those very small supports went. And at the back here, and that is that pylon ready to use. So again, go like this, and then you can go, and the cleanup is so easy on it that it will just sit there on the wing on its own. So here's the right hand outboard, and that's a complete set of Super Hornet pylons. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you how easy it is to get these off the support. So again, we look at this, okay, they pull away like so, and then the whole thing just snaps away, and there you have it, completely separated. So I've got a load of these in print at the moment to go out to Mike at Phase Hanger, and then again, as I've discussed before, you've got the BRUs which we printed separately that drop in to there. But yeah, the Saturn 2 has been a fantastic addition this week. It means that my printing has taken another step up in quality, so watch out for higher quality prints.